Welcome to the London Session stream, guys. The price was moved more than today, the 1,000 pips plus. Okay, that's the 15-minute zone. At around the price is this level. So it's a good candle also print here. You take risks also this zone. So it's a good candle actually print right now. So we are taking risks on this level. Okay. So that's the 30 pips plus risks also here. 35 pips risks also here. First, we see the market structure, what the candle closing. We'll first check it first. Then we are going with this. That's the 1 hour A plus level is that. 1 hour candle is just open right now. 4 hour is the You test the buying area is now that you can see this also. Let's see how the price will react on this area. First, the 5 minute green candle is the very important for the this investment. Okay, and you can see this already. That's the liquidity sweep is done. You can see this. The price was calm and liquidity sweep, and it didn't go for the upper week. And first, the choke we are want at this time. Okay, guys. The 5 minute candle closing is very important right now. So the first choke actually we are want right now here. 5 minute. Good. It's candle closing like this same. It's good for our trade. And how many risks over this zone? That's the 30 pips risk taking area. So we are going for the 1 minute. The first short we are want actually. That's a good indication candle. So we are one going for this. That's the third continuation candle will be built. So that's all good for trade. The price closing above this the red lines. So we are definitely going for the buying side. It's respect the zone also. Okay. And you can take risks here. That's because that's a good candle is that. But you can risk on this candle, the market will be also grab your liquidity. It is the already 30 pips candle risk and market will fall from there and it will be continuation for the upside. So that's your confirmation area and the first break of structure in the 1 minute candle. So we are going with the confirmation at this time because the market is now the very coming to this high areas. So we are waiting for the good confirmation candle zone. Okay. And if you can see this, that time the price was creating only the spiking candle. So we are waiting for the confirmation. Good confirmation will be here. So everything it's good for our trade. Okay, guys. And you can see this. The already will be done here. Why? Because that's the liquidity of the market. Market will be induce the price and sweep this liquidity and market will be falls up from the subside. So that's why we are one and this trade was we are executed. So our target is the first target is that, our second target is that, and final target is the this all time high. Okay, this all time high. Okay, so that's our plan. But see this, that's the this area we are trade. So that's our negative impact we are see on this. So I am waiting for this because that's the trap by markets of market first breaking out this zone with the confirmation candle. You can see this. That's why I'm told you don't trade above this area. Either it will be breach over here. There the only zone is to have. So that's the you can see this. Why I'm told about this. That the multi reason will be here. The reason I'm explaining it. So that's our trade plan area. So that's the 1 minute chart. You will be understand. So I'm going with the 5 minutes. So it's a better explanation. It's a good indication. The 5 minute candle is a good closing. Okay. So I'm explanation why I'm don't trade above this area. The very simple explanation will be here. You can see this. That's every buyer's liquidity here. It's that's every buyer's liquidity here. Okay. And also these buyers that's already sweep by market. That's the market liquidity sweep on this zone. You can see this. So market will be induced here and price will be goes from here. So it should be okay. The first confirmation will be we are have into this zone and the price was pull back over this zone. So we are entries over this zone and our target is that okay. That's the 5 minute A plus selling area is that and we are going. That's our first target in the 5 minutes. Okay, and that's a huge price gapping also created. So we are going with the good candle trade logic. So that's the respectfully respect the this zone. So price definitely pull back from this zone. Either it not respect, so price was more falling up to the this zone. Okay, because why? Because the more liquidity of the market, you can see this. That's a very liquidity will here. So market will be fall the very fast up to this zone. So we are waiting for the confirmation color. We don't buying at this time. The because why? Because market already goes the very high. The today morning market will goes the 1000 pips plus. 1000 pips plus it's going. So we are not buying at this time. So we are waiting for the discount area because that's the price it now the very premium zone. So institutional never buy the premium zone. Okay. So we are waiting for the confirmations. It's a good candle also print. So we are waiting for the confirmation. Okay. Wait for the confirmation, guys. Then we should be going to buy side. Otherwise, you can see that you buy over this one. Its candle was closing. It's the 2 minutes remaining. The 5 minute candle closing. So it's closing above this zone. So that's the good. It's okay. It's good. It's good buying candle will be here, but it's sustained above this trend line. So we are entries for the buying side. Otherwise, we are don't trade. So I remove the RR. Okay. So I wait for our confirmation. We wait for our A plus setup. That's a good indication that the structure will be right now here. So it's the indication for the good for the price was going to upside. So we are wait for our level. Okay, guys. That's the first confirmation we get. Then we are going. Okay. This 5 minute candle closing is very important. It's first closing. Then we are going for the buy side. The big risk I know. Gold is the very good already moved today in the Asian sessions. Okay, it's move already good. 1000 pips moves. It's I not do our Instagram post the notification. You can see this. So that trend line sustain is a very important. The 5 minute is a very good candle. 5 minute candle is a very enough candle will be print right now. So we are taking a risk above this area in the second. OG. So it's the price was sustained above this one, so that's our good put trade. So that's our entry zone. Our entries over this area. My entry was coming out is the 83. Market will be very impulse that's time. 43. That's our buying area is that. My buying area. I will find the buying at this zone. Okay. So I am taking this 35 pip for this the candle lows. I will reach the 35 pips and price was move good. So that candle is my lowest. Next time I am going with the 1 is to 3 also. Okay. Color this, not this. So that's the price was move on. Let's see. That's the first approach. So that's why I entry for this because that's the heavy BGs will be there, and that's the TGL5 buying area is that a selling area is that. So that's our support area also. So my target that's I risk free on this area first. The price was moved once to one, so I am risk free my trade also. Okay, then good move. Price was very good move at this time. You can see this. It's a very good buying pressure, good buying will become. So I am risk free my trade also this zone. So I risk free my trade some. I'm going with the small. You can see this. So that's the price already given the 40 good candle was closing. So how many pips? I risk free my trade also guys. You also risk free your trade. That's the move. The 40. I'm thinking about the. You can see this. That's the 50 pips move price already. Okay. That's the 50 pip price move. Just I come the live at the just 5 minutes last 20 minutes I'm calm, our price will move the 15 pips, guys. You can see this how the buying will be come from here and how just I mark and randomly level and price or how to mark, how to push. That's called what you call that. The 50 pips on a stream, guys. OG price was going, the price was very bullish, guys. You can see this 75 pips on a stream, guys. That's a good confirmation. So you set your break even also. Okay, you set your break even on this zone because you have a no risk up to this area. Okay, so that's have a no risk. You will reduce your risk for the 30 pips, and that's your risk free trade also. So you risk free now. Risk free trade. Okay, that's the risk free trade, and you can see this how the price was moved to the buying side. I have opened TP for this price because you will be price was tap the first TP area, so you will be book your 80% here, and you can trade your TP for the price was where the going. Okay, it's a good moving price was moving the very good at this time. It's definitely going up. It's the move more than 88 pips. So I'm thinking the 80 pips. Okay, it's the 80 pips. Okay, okay, no issues. That's the 80 pips. Okay, you don't set you set also a break even, so you have no risks. The price was move more than in the just 30 minutes not done yet. That's the 22 minutes that's done and price was move more than 80 pips. With I am coming and told you the confirmation will be come. The three candle will giving you the 80 pips on a stream, guys. That's also the risk free. So I am hold my trade. Price was moving more than 70 pips. Huh? That's called sniper entry, guys, or what? Told me. That's a beautiful 5 minute candle was free, and that's a big. It's okay. It's the it's feel like biggies, so that's why it's come. And it's again for the going upside, and it's your target level also. Okay. That's the 5 minute buying will become. It's a good buying will be here. The second candle, it's the price was respect. So the first candle price was respect. Second candle price was continuation. Third candle was continuation the direction for the upside. So that's the three major thing will be happen in the 5 minutes. So I'll be hold the trade for the our final three piece. Okay, it definitely come to this area. Okay, it's the feel the gap. Just the price was down, and also the which so that's why the price was filling the gap. Not issues. It's the good. Its trade was for the our side. Definitely, it's going to the TP zone. Okay, I hold the TP. And with the 25 30 pip risk, we are first risk on this trade was the 35 pips, more than 40 pips we are take the risk. And that's our target for the 130 pips. So that's already 1 is to 3 for we are going right now. That's the 1 is to 3 here. But that the target was very good for that. I am thinking the price was first get the TP. That's our first TP area. That our first TP area. Okay, right, that's our first TP area is that. So price was closing above this area. Price was come to this zone and closing above this area. So I will book the 80%. I am here and I am telling target profits for the open, because the where the price was going, I will be accept the price again because the price was really bullish at this time. So I am going with this set. So that's the pullback in the price, the inducement. Institutional playing like this because that's the previous zone is that. So it's respectfully. So it's more going up to this zone. The price was moved 80, 90 bits more than. So it's going with the good moves candle. So let's see this. That's the why the price was given. Now I'm just coming in strip 25 minutes, guys, and the price was moved more than 85 pips. Just I'm coming 25 pips, 25 minutes. I'm just come, and that's price move. Price was moved like this. We had hold our good trade. Okay, that's our good trade. We had hold it and 5 minutes. We had sip the 5 minute. Okay, and my target will be goes for the because the heavy gap of the price. So I am wait for that, and that's my final TP is that. Okay, 200 pips is my final TP. Okay, on this stream, let's see this price was give or not. I am hold that trade. Okay, that's a very risk free also. So why I don't take this risk? At the 80 pips done, and now we are going with the good trade. Let's see this what the price was goes. You can go and check the live streamers. Will come these type of trades. I have told you again one thing. Price get the first TP, then you set your break even. Okay. Otherwise, you say don't set your break even. You wait for that. You just go with the original SL. That's I have in this time. That's a 30 SL is that. So just you set your SL like this and go your trade like for the real moves. Okay. Because we have seen this that for the last 4 days the price was come to our break-even price areas and grab our break-even and price was goes from the real move. Okay, so we are wait for this. That's a good information. So that's who was not entries over this zone. So that's your entry area also, guys. You can see this price at the break even. So it's going with, so I have no issues. I accept the issue. So that's why the risk free is the very important. Just hold your these trades. So that's the gone. Okay, that's the gone. Is just working. It's just coming for the liquidity. You can see this. That's the out the buyers. So it's our good trade also. That's the 88 pips trade. So we are accepted. So I think I'm told you guys that's the price was moving more than very good at this time. I'm also told you it's definitely going from this level. Okay, after it's come at this level, but you can see this. That's not the very good, very more great or very then the gamblers. So that's a good trade also. So it's giving the good money. So we are accepted. Market is very volatile. That's coming for our break even. So that's our racer original. So it's already taken. So I accepted. Okay, there were no loss on this trade. It's a good trade. It's a very good trade. I tell you about these things. You can set your break even. It's called risk free. It's not losing trade, guys. You remember first this thing. It's not losing trade. It's your profitable trade. It's a risk free. No loss, no profits. It's the break even risk free trade. Okay. So it's the 80 pips we are count on this, and I think it's the closing above this zone in this the live stream. You can see this. So that's why I'm told you the risk free is the very important for the price. Okay, the risk free is the very important. Please, I don't know why I don't push you my notification for my viewers, but I am suggest help for the YouTube. Please suggest my notification to my viewers YouTube because there will be some problem for not acceptation by the notification by the my viewers and subscribers. Please support YouTube. Please help for me. How to fix that? Anyone know? It's definitely closing about this hour. It's only for trapped. The good trade. It's coming for just the grab our ratio, nothing else. How the price impulse from this area, you can see this. It close above this area, you can see this. So no one can re-entry, so it is re-entry confirmation also here. I told you that time. There's who one not entries, so that's for entries level. Please subscribe this. Please subscribe our channel, guys. Now see this how the price was just exactly moved. And I don't know why my don't push my notification, but that time the price was playing very good, I think. What the price at around same area. So 5 minutes you take in this risk. What the candle was print and price was just 50 minutes. Candle was open. Beautiful candle it's that. This 50-minute level how to play you can see this guys. That's the 15-minute candle how to play this. That's the some it's definitely closing about area. It's breakout. So we are going with our original SL. So it's the good guy. I'm thinking it's our original SL. That's our original level is the 45 days. That's something. Candle low. So price was first taking the SL. You can see this. That's for the trick and the SL. The price was moved the real move. And you reach the 100 pips over this zone. Fucking amen. So it's good trade, guys. You are accepted. That's my trade. It's the break even. That's the grab our SL and price was moved. How it's called? So let's see. That's the 80 pips on a stream. So that's the risk-free trade. No loss, no risk. So anyone interested, please like and subscribe this channel, guys. Because your one like and subscribe is the most engaging for me, and just a challenge also on my channel. You complete my 500 subscriber in this January end, so I will give away the $100 account for my subscriber. Okay, for one subscriber I will give away, and you will complete the 5,000 subscribers. So I will giving you the three account of the $100 for your trading journey career. You will be helping her. So that's you can complete this challenge, and I will just I am coming the live, and I will search the which the choose the winner, and I'll giving the $100 account challenge. Okay, the $100 account I will giving you. So please complete this, guys. So that's our break-even trade. It's accepted. That's my potential. It's the coming going with it's going with this. So it's the more coming up to this area also. And your who will be decided will be on this zone. You will be risky or trade, guys. We will be going with this candle. The re-entries. Please risk free right now. That's the price was moving exactly same 80 pip zone and price was fall from there. So it's a good trade, guys. Okay, it's a good trade. I think you please like and subscribe our channel, guys. And share with your friends. That's the taken our experience moving profit. How it's called? How you call about BTC have trade any today? Oh gee, There were only bidding level that the price was not come to our level. 13-minute level playing. Yes, it's tap and go just like. But how the falling up to this area? That's the liquidity. Liquidity price was just grabbed. There are only zone for the 30-minute for the BTC. So let's find the BTC. Oh, is it now the very discount price area right now, guys? How many weeks is that? 20 weeks. That's the gap of liquidity. You can see this. How some small gap will be respected by the market. So 1 hour candle is the sell off. So it's the closing in the 10 minutes. So we are wait the 10 minutes. Okay. So we are thinking to short the market, the Bitcoin market. We are short above this because that's a 25 piece or 30 pips risk also here. We're taking a risk on this. There will no bigger risks. We're going with 30 pips risk, so there will be zone for the 1:3. You can see this. So we are going with this trade. First you get the price base for the pullback, and that's the gap of price. So that's the price was pull. I am told you clearly told you two things. Price was pullback this area up to this area. It's coming at this time. It will be go. I have no trade. I am simple told you. But it's coming and fill the gap first, and it will be retested when the pullback on the real original move from the downside. Then I should be interest for that at time. Otherwise, I will watch the market, and that's my risk entry level, and that's my TP for the price. Okay, simple thing. Silver is now the range. Okay, it is now the range. It's the teach. It's first taken our SL and the good trade. It's taken our first TP with the 100 piece TP also is that, and then it will be both 1000 piece plus moves. Sorry guys. What you call? Hmm? What you call for the USD level? It's sometimes for that I'm reached 30 pips over this area, 35 pips on this trade. So it's a moving good. That's the sniper trades, guys. That's a moving more than the 100 pips. I'm not trade Euro USD right now, but you can see that the price was how to move. It's the reason for that. That's the price level is also. That's the FB is also there. Wrong thing is do that. I feel this, but it's a good trade also play. But I don't this why I'm loose today. I don't see this the very perfectly on this time. It's a manage this type of the 4 hour level is that, and I don't see this the FBG gap. Okay, that the bullish FBGs is here, so I don't see this. So that's why it's take my SL and price was more very good. That's why I mark this level. So it's a very good move. So I know, and that's also the discount price level area. So it's you can take the 100 pips, 10 pips, you can lose this here. So that's the USD giving the this trade. And I'm thinking that I don't think it's the pullback. It's continuation for the more it's going up to this area. Okay, it's going more than up to this upside. It's the RR will be calm right now 1 to 10. Okay, this RR will be coming with the 1 to 10. That's a 200 pip trade will be finding the Euro USD. We will be trade like this, so it's definitely come up to this area. I'm not see this the FBGs guys, so that's why I'm losing this trade. But I'm not trade the Euro USD. But that's the level will be playing like this. It's our pending level. Price was don't come and price was move upside. It's okay, but that's the trade is OG playing 100 pips plus trade. USDJPY have a no level right now here. GBPJPY OG. We are going with this confirmation. So it's a plain obviously good. It's very close to our target also. It's more than 200 to target also given. And my expectation is that price was exactly tap our selling area and price will be sell from here. It's a good also playing. That's exactly I'm told you. I'm not read about this spread levels, but exactly it's playing. You can see this. That's the level why it's why coming the buying from this. It's good level. It's a good confirmation level. That's the liquidity sweep also called. But why the price was more down? Because the 4 hour order block is that. Okay, 4 hour order block is that. The price was impulsively moved for this. The beautiful price move. That's the liquidity the gap down. The market will consult. I'm waiting for that. At the gap liquidity for the 15 minutes. We are going with this. I don't trade also this year because it's the very consultation market. I don't go. I want this the fast the grab the liquidity and it will be pull back and I find this zone. So I definitely trade about this area because I accept this because I am told you that the price was grab this liquidity and price was moved and it's a very beautifully moved but this five you can see this. It's more than good move. We are going with this pullback on this candle lows. It's a good move, will be the 200 is already given the price. And exactly I'm told you the price was reversed from there. So price was exactly this level was accepted. GBP JPY trade also the plain gold. It's more than I think that's 1 is to 8 RR and 25 pips I risk, but price was not this. Beautiful trade is that. It's also playing very good. It's today playing. Tomorrow, yeah, it's I think yesterday playing. Otherwise, I don't. I am told you it's in the range. It's breaking out, so we are tricked. But it will be spoiled from here. It's no issues. We are not currently spread. I'm waiting for the good breakout. This time the higher measure time frame will be failing. Okay, it's the opposite side direction will be goes. The forex pair is not playing good. That is our buying area is only. It's already done from here. That's the resistance area. It's over. Every time we see also this. That's the why this candle will be print because that's the liquidity and liquidity price will go. It's the good filing is the cat. That's also the called the support area. That's not the buying area. It's also the support area. So it will be supporting here. So it will be respect and price was fall from here. Simple logic. I'm not read about this pairs. I only seen about the big pairs. Okay guys. That's the copper is now I think tap our buying area and just how to buy you can see this. We are definitely accept this. We are risk about the 10 pips about this. Try to hurry more than move the 1,000 pips guys. 2% move the copper guys. That's why I may definitely accept this because price was trapped. See the smaller time frame where the beautiful liquidity swing and price was going. Tap and go guys. We are going with this candle and we are risking that this candle low risk. So it's a very beautiful price was go. And we are the first TP is that high. 1 minute we are going with that the first TP is that the 70 pips is that the 100 pips we are going with this TP size. Okay. So it's easily giving our TP for the copper trade. It's a long trade will be here. But it's a good moving trade guys. That I am acceptable because I will mark in the weekly analysis video and you can see this and you can see this. I'm told you is that the price was moving like the same and price was moving more than 100 pip plus from to our zone. Re-entries where you re-entry traders guys. There's a more than 140 pips moves price again. I'm told you and your final TP is that okay. Your final TP is that. So you can some sell off from this level. Is selling on this area, okay? The some sorts position will be come from here. The price was exactly I'm told you that's the type the market will be move or not. You told me guys. BTC what's happened at this time? We are fine. Its gold is now moving, okay. So we are exited from this the expected I'll accept it. So let's say you need the NYC session trade, okay. So let's see the BTC focus on the BTC trade, okay. Let's see on the BTC trade. We are interested for the BTC, short BTC. We are short the BTC. Gold does respect that plus 15 minute plus was Very good play. It's beautiful play. I think everyone bias is very bullish, okay? Okay. The price was get the final TP and it will be going with a good level also. And that's a part at the selling area. Good buying level is that. Very good buying. It's that level and the 30-minute level. Very much. That's the liquidity. We are explaining our setups, okay? And what with our we are explaining our setup. Okay? Let's yes roll about our setup. Okay, just talking about our setup. So you can see this. You can see this. That's our liquidity zone, and that's our order block also. We are called. So price was coming at this time. The price was coming at this zone. But the beautiful price was going on. That's a trade hour level. That's the price was coming at this level. Why this type of so price was coming this level, price was coming onto this level, and price was moving like this very good at this time. So breaking out this zone also. There is some issue, guys. Why it's the famous first okay. That's good. So you can see this. That's the price. Yeah, liquidity is that, and price was falling up to this zone. Why the pain was like doing pain was doing wrong thing. It's the price is moving good. That's the trade I actually want. I'm told you also that the price was moving this, but we are exit this from these areas. So price was that's our liquidity zone. The price will come and grab this liquidity. Okay, that's what is called about this. Who will be telling us that? That's the called liquidity sweep. That's called liquidity sweep. That is called the liquidity sweep. And what happened also here? That's our 13-minute A plus zone. We understand that. So price tapped this zone and that's liquidity and price was continuation candle. So I am told about this area is for the confirmation. So I am told about this area confirmation. That's the our that's called 1 minute choke area. 1 minute choke area. So price was choose sustained above this the 1 minute choice, and we are I'm told about this. And second thing is the 5 minute closing, 5 minute closing. So I'm told a 5 minute closing above this trend line. Okay. Okay, that's I am told about this area. The 5 minute closing about this zone is very important. So price was trapped this our area that you can see this. You can see this. Sorry, it's the plain color is not see this. So you can see this. You can see this here. That's the price was sustained here. Price was sustained this trend line. And what happened? So we are going with the what happened. So you will just understand these things. We will see this. You will just understand see this. So price was grab this liquidity. Price was impulse move and first chose. So how many confirmation? So that's the first confirmation is the choice. Second confirmation is the 5 minute confirmation. 5 minute confirmation is that, and price at goes for the good A plus level. Price at A plus goes for the good. Okay, so the three more confirmation on this one setup, and price was also will be re-entered. So I'm going with the very first. So it's the three confirmation will be go, and what happened in the second time why this trade will be coming on, you will be definitely who will be re-entered. So you will be definitely good profits will be enjoyed. Why this profit will be that's the move will be come. So that's more four moves will be again happened here. So I'm explaining that's our up to the this trade this level this trade level first trade level. Okay, that will be managed on these three things. Okay, and let's explain this setup. Let's explain this second setup. Let's it's the second setup is the it's the second setup. So it's the second. So it's why it's going with this. I'm definitely told you. So that's the things will be happen at this time. That's not the only the three confirmation. That's only the more than five confirmation. That's the five-star setup. That's my strategy. Will be actually do the very good moving. That's the five-star setup, guys. I'm told you. It's not only the A plus setup. It's definitely about the five-star setup. Okay. So I explain it. So why it's the many things will be happen, but I'm just telling you the what is the five-star setup. So that's why I'm told you. So why I'm taking this trade, but I'm not execute because that's my risk free also here. So I'll be accept myself. So I am entries about this area. So I have no issues. Okay, I have no issues. I have taken this trade also for my good profitabilities. So let's talking out our good trade IDs. Okay, why I take this trade. So first, it's also that's the same thing. Church 1 minute church. How many confirmation will be coming out from this trade? You will be understood. Second is the second is the 5 minute 5 minute confirmation. Third is the price good form. Price goes for the 13 minute A plus level. Okay. Fourth, it's going level. It's moved more than 80 pips and it's breaking out the 5 minute choke level. It's 5 minute choke, 5 minute choke. Okay, five. It's pullback and the imbalance traders execute here, exit from this market also will be impossible where like this me. That time I am buying with the price was moving. So it's the liquidity grab. So six, it's the liquidity grab and seven. The price was moving with the bullish candles and sudden price moving bullish continuation candle. So how many setup will be here? How many is you can find you this? The first one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So that's called five knots. So it's called not the only this setup. That's the trade. So that's the trade was moving like this, huh? Guys, that's the trade was moving like this. That's not the simple. That's the seven-star setup. Seven-star setup with 13-minute A plus Y. Its potential going to giving the new all-time high. This trade potential have right now. That's a seven-star setup. We are taken. We will be re-entries on this zone. And price was moving like this, so you will be understand and I think explain why I am take this trade with the logically why I'm take this trade. So you understand like this, who will understand that that's our target level. So you, that's our trade accept, we are accepted. Okay, that's our trade, we are accepted already. That's our trade. But who will be re-entry on this zone? Who will be re-entry on this the candle area? And how many risks will be? How many risks it will be? It's more than the 30 pips risks. I think 35 pips risks, guys. 35 pips risks you will be taken here, and it's your target 200 pips target, and you easily give it. Your second trade is the logic. So it is a re-entry level. I think and price was moving like this. It's so I have one more level for you. It's breaking out this zone. That's the 5 minute 12 shows confirmation area. So it's the breakout this zone. So you can trade about one more entries will be here. Okay, you have a one more entries for this level here. Okay, with the small rigs you can take the rigs and you can go with your 100 pips TP for this trade. Okay, easily you give it and you can see this trade. That's our, that's we are have, and that's the risk free. Okay, that's the risk free trade. So that's the trade, this trade, why this type of movement comes. So it's the logic only that it's under the seven star setup. It's under the seven star setup, guys. It's not the simple trade, not the simple price move, guys. It's not a simple price move. It's a seven star setup under the seven star setup, and that's a five star setup. So we are going with this. So it's more good confirmation area. Price was moving to this area and price was moved further all time high from this area. So we will understand that and we will that's our re-entry level. We will be not entries on this trade. So you will check about this. So it's the big risk taking. It's the risk fee was it's the break even was grab and price was moved from there. So it will be going with the 5 minute. It's the big risk taking area also that we are going with this trade. So it will be risk free here. No? We are chose on this area. So it's not our grab our liquidity. That's the 35. So that's our level. It's not grab our liquidity. Price was good moving, but at this time. But I am my entry was there, so I am going with this. Okay. I have entry on this the 4843 points. So I'm not going with this now. So I will accept my original SL point. So it will be exit from there. And this trade I have not grabbed, so I am remove it. But that's also the re-entry I am told about my live stream. So I will be counted, guys. So we are accepted, and that's you can grab your good trade. So we are going with our the Bitcoin. Come on, gold. Come on, Bitcoin. You just come to this area. You come. It's far from good level. It's at BTC. That's why it's falling. It's 13 minutes is the OG, like 13 minutes in now market open the god. 15 minutes, 30 minutes for the intraday trade level is the OG level. I want the price pullback up to this zone. That's my trade plan here. I will be yes, I am waiting for this setup because that's the price was very set this time. Again, it will be continuation for the downside. The 30-minute candle was please fill this gap and it will be fall from here. Okay, otherwise I will wait and watch the market. Please guys complete our like and subscribe challenge. Price was moved good momentums, guys. Good momentum. The how gold in the this January, guys. What the gold move? You will understand that the January gold is that more than gold in the move in January. How many pips, guys? I think it's going for that. Okay, more than 5,000 pips. 5,000 pips price was moved just in 1 month. You understand that? You will understand that for this gap. You can see this. That's a 12% return in the 1 month. Gold just returned in 1 month. 18 days gold was returned more than 12%. Gold moved. The gap up opening price, the heavy gaps in the prices. 12.85, that's a 30, more than 13% price was returned on the stream, guys. You will be understand how the price will be moved and what the gold. It's the very kind of the fucking triple level for the 5,000. It's the in this the February end. The price easily touched the 5,000 landmark, guys. That's easily touched the 5,000 landmark. Many pending levels was there, heavy gaps. But I one thing to do. It's touch the 5,000 landmark level. Okay, it's touched the 5,000 landmark level. After that, the price was how much the falling. It's a very big crashing also come, I think, and it's a good now price at this. You can buy also here. That's the A plus. So let's explain the 1 minute how the price will be respected here. Is it now at the 5 minute A plus? I think it's respect, guys. Is it now at the 5 minute plus? So I'm thinking I'm buying again on this. It's a good standard closing. So you will take a risk, guys. We will be seeing the market here. You will definitely take the risk on this area because might go market will go with a very good zone. That's a good area with that. That's why you can take the 25 pips risk. 5 minute candle. You will take risks that it's good taken risk zone. So you will take the risk. We are accept this guys, okay? That's the price right now, the very good level. So we are accept this. The price was breaking this zone. It's definitely come up. We are that's the target for the 100 pips. And risk you can risk only the 25 pips over this area. This candle low is your risk taking zone, and that's the 5 minute zone is that. So we are going with that's a which is also here. So we are going with this. Only 25 pips we are risk on this zone because that's a 5 minute confirmation area now. So let's see this how the price will move. Okay, only 25 pips takes risks on this level. Okay, it's going from there. It's very good fast, very fastly going. Otherwise, if the 25 pips risks also called here. Okay, how many risks is that on this level? It's the for 63, 63, 62. So let's see how the price was moved from there. Okay, that's the only trade for the gold. We are going with this at the good indication, and let's a Bitcoin BTC come to this area and it will be going move from there. So there's a 3 minute it's the closing. It's coming to our level. And this 5 minute candle sustain on this. And in 1 minute it will be goes to be good. So we are execute the Bitcoin trade guys. We wait for the Bitcoin trade. It's our same plan will we do here. And I think the gold will be pushing from this area. Come on, मेरी गोल्डी जान. Gold. Go. 14 pips. Let's see it's how many pips move. So you can risk free your trade, guys. This time you risk free your trades here. You risk free your trade because why? That's the needs move more than the 30 pips. So it is your risk free right now. 35 pips is that. So that's the 35 pips. 35 pips price was again this, and again your 20 pips SL, and I'm going with my risk free trade. Definitely I hold it. So it is risk free right now, yo. I'll be risk free this trade. Okay, again I risk free this trade, and I'm going for my Bitcoin trade also. It's the moving. The 15-minute closing with the it's the 70-second remaining for the closing. So let's see this. What will be happening here? The 15-minute candle open. It's not big body candle will be printing. Either it or it's I'm tensed about it. Okay, okay. It's good for that. Come on, gold price. It's good. How many pips price was going on? That's the trade for the NYCs. Hey, London season. Sorry, guys. NYC is love. Obviously, NYC is love for everyone, I think. Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, baby. 35 pips sticks also here. 1:2, 1:3 is now at this round. Come on, guys, told about take risks on this zone or what? Come on, complete the 15 likes target. Okay, it's a break even trade. You can see this. So it's moving 35 pips, and I think it's a 15-minute candle is was open, and I think that's a 5-minute selling area is be accepted. Okay, okay. There have a good trade, 35 pips on a stream, guys, and it's the corrected the price right now. It's okay. It's a done for this time. So that's a two trade for the risk. There were no risks. The good trade and good level we are today. Price was done. So let's see you in the noisy sessions for the trade. Last trade for the Bitcoin. We are see this Bitcoin trade because we are interested, yeah, guys. So I think I will interest for the short in the Bitcoin. You can go short Bitcoin, okay? You can get the short interest for Bitcoin. अबे तू रकम देगा Let's now we are in the trade and complete the 15 likes target, guys. And that's our original SL is that 35 pips. Okay, and that's our target is that candle low 1 is to 3, pure 1 is to 3 is that. So let's see how the price will be moved from there. Please complete the like target, guys. Please complete the like target. So you can see this. I am entry on this area. Will we see this? I am entry over this zone. You can see this. So my position will be let's see the how the price moves from here. Please complete the like target, guys. Please complete the 15 like target and subscribe and like our channel, guys. Please complete the like target for the stream, guys. And I'm please complete the 15 likes and subscribe our channel to stay consistent with our community. And everything will be share with my community is also join my Telegram group and also my Instagram community for my daily information. And we are starting the one. So that's the trade is on. Let's see this. How the price will be reacting on this. That's a beautiful zone for the Bitcoin short the market. How many time is that? So it's a more time will be have. So please stay consistent with us. Please like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And you can tell me about which pair you trade also. I definitely told about this pair analysis. And you can check my analysis so you will understand how my trade will work from this level. Let's stay consistent, guys. Hello, hello. Let's respect our 5 minute A plus area for the selling in gold also. Good selling. I think it will be happen also, but I take it because the bullish market, so that's why I take it. It's good falling for our exactly area. I'm told you it's the 5 minute plus selling area is that this market is respect very carefully. It's good area. It's the breakup structure first. It retested and price was selling from there. How many pips selling from there? This candle. So it's many selling on the 90 pips more than 97 pips was selling. It's the good. It's the good for this. So let's go with one change. Focus on the Bitcoin. One hour. It's closing this. Its potential come to this area because that the APGs will be here. You will understand that first. Okay. That's the price APGs will be there. So it will be come to this area. I'm told you again. It's come to this area and it will be sell from here. Okay. It's like this. So that's why expectation for this the Bitcoin trade. So you go with this. So you can hold your future trade for this type. This trade is the very good. Its profitability is so high because the market structure is the very varies in Bitcoin. So you hold your trade for the short entries in Bitcoin. And you told about your bias for that day. I'm live at 2:30, then I will come in the NIC seconds. That's okay. See, it's already moving the 30 pips, okay? It's already moving the 30 pips. Its pullback is the accepted. It's moving 30, it's 30 pips already done. Okay. But that's we are reached only 35 pips, so I'm waiting for the 35 pips points. So that will be except the 1:1. Okay, okay, guys, okay, understand that. Complete the live target, guys. That's the IP, it's the FPGs here. So there is FPGs. Also, you can call also its breaker block. So it's come to this area. It's the dual the short area is the many order will be here. So market will be come on this area and pick the order and market will be fall from here. That's our expectation. It's a very good falling also come from this area. Otherwise it bleached it's going for the upside again. Okay, understand guys? The BG is done, so the market's order block will be done. I think it will come for this time. 88,000 price will be come today, and this is the now the buying order block. So it will be pick the order from this area, and it will be moved to the upside up to this area. 89,000, either the 90,000, because that's the 200 pips range in the Bitcoin. So we are short the market here. Okay, guys, that's a simple analysis, simple trade. Okay, so that's why I take this trade. It's going for where it's going for here. That's the liquidity. So it's going to the left side. Please complete the 15 likes target, guys. Subscribe our channel for this type of content trades. I am regular basis live. I am very consistent with my live streaming, and I am giving the good best trade. Also, I lose, so you also do because I don't hide anything. That's the SL I will be accepted. That's the profit I am also accepted. Okay, that's the only Bitcoin trade is now here. So we are wait for the Bitcoin trade. Complete the like target, guys. 13-minute candle was good rejection from this week. So it's good. It's come for the APG. It will fall from here. So that's our expectation. Okay. The 1 hour candle I think closing. That's all. I think it's going for the top week. Fill this the APGs and it will fall from here. Come on. Good. Good. Will do good things. But you come this level, tap this, fill this APGs and you can fall from here. Who will be not interested in this trade, so it will be opportunity for you. So you can take a trade opportunity is here, so you can trade obviously here. Okay, because you can risk is some reduce from these areas. You can take your trade, so you can only the 25 pips risk on this trade. Okay, you can take on this, so you can 35 pips. Yes, sir. So choice is yours. Okay, that's a good for the re-entrants. I think the more time I will live, guys. What about I am stay or I am turn off the stream and you will be enjoy your profits. What about that? Told these guys. Good. That's the most digital to buying area is that. That's the digital to buying area. Now, sorry, that's the TCL one buy. Digital to buying area already playing. And it's called the falling from. If don't respected by the market and told you again. It don't expected by the market at this time. So it's the big falling will be come from here. Okay. It's a good indication for the price was really bullish. Momentum will be come from here. It is goes from here, but we are not trade on this level. Okay. Market always show the opportunities, but we are take don't take. We are miss it, so we are miss it. We have no trade level right now. That's the only level will be playing like this. So we are not interested on this time. So there is the only level is that we are market see on this time. That's the liquidity also. That's the market liquidity. It's not the right to trade here. But the 4 hour candle is open sometimes ago. And the big a good confirmation candle for the 4 hour and good candle will be here. So it's potential for the going downside on this candle. Okay. That's why I mark on this. Okay guys. Either it will be bleach, it will be except our issue. Either it falling, it's very fast falling will be coming, will be see on this market also. Okay guys. Understand that what am I telling to you guys? So we are only focused on the gold trade, Bitcoin trade, okay? Because gold have a no level. Gold only level is I am coming. I'm told you the level for the gold in the NYCs, okay? Gold have a good level for the buying, capturing the good buying opportunity. That time gold have now the very fast moving to the upside, so it's crossing either the all-time high, create a good, you captured a good move, and either it will be some the price was dumped from the situation and it will be come to a discount area, so we'll have a peak or good level. Either that time no we don't trade in the gold, okay? So that's a simple things. Silver also the ranging. and also the US market also falling right now. And Euro trade also all. It is a target already done. Swing high is your target, so it already done. But I am not told you that is your target. It's already given. 1 to 3 already done. That's the trade I want. The price was moved from there. It's not range. It's come to a replace. It's good price. It's good. And you can see this how our level will be actually playing in markets. So you will understand. And itself from a good area. It's coming for these LPGs, okay? Nothing else. It's coming for these LPGs. So guys, I think I more time I will streaming today. So let's the analysis for that time. So guys, done for that time. The London session will be done. I'll become energy session. So let's see you in the energy session, right, guys? So it's a 4 hour candle is creating a top with it. It's playing either coming to this level and that level will be here. Let's see this. What the price effort. Let's take it first. That's the FPGs. So it's the FPGs also. It fail the FPGs and price will be fall from here. That's our expectation. I know the price was pulled back to this. But don't promo on this trade. Okay, just hold our trade. 1 minute buying in A plus. Which what's buying, bro? Gold. Yes, bro. It is the digital to buying area is will tap here. You can tell about this buying area. You hold your trade good. It's good for that. You hold your trade and you can set your break even because the price was we sell off from here and the expectation was price was very more bullish at this time. So some correct the price at this time. Okay, guys. The USD 1111. Okay, that's your you can going with this buying. Am I right, bro? You can going with this buy. But I'm telling you, you can sell, you can set your SL above this, selling your SL above this zone because that's the, you can also see this, that's the A plus selling area also. And if you get a good selling zone, it will be sell from here because that's the liquidity market. So market will be help for that, going to downside. Okay, understand? So more than enough for this time. So gold have a no trade right now. I'm not trading at this time. While coming live, you have only this the selling level we can going with this. Either I have don't find any kind of buying zone at this time. It will be goes it's okay. But market structure is now the higher low to lower high shift. That's lower high, lower low. The breakup structure in the market structure you can see this. So that's why I'm told you. That's not trade right now. You hold your positions. You can go with the buying, so you can set your break even and hold your trade. So let's see in the NYC session. You will be interested, so definitely come out to join us. I am live in the 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So thanks for watching, guys. You stay any informative about our channel, please like and subscribe our channel. And I'm very consistent with my channel. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the NYC session, guys. Bye bye. Bitcoin, let's check the Bitcoin. It's good for the. It's coming for this area. That's the only trade for the Bitcoin right now. So you will be who will be interested on this, so you will be here. That's the FBG, so that's why it's a pullback will become fill this FBG and it will be start falling from this side. Okay, so that's the trade. So bye bye guys, see you in the NYC sessions. Tata, love you guys. Please like and support our channel.